asomdwe nka me gidi se nyame din mu nti no wo ho eye Easter kwesi da etoso mienu sa kwesi da ye frɛ no Divine Mercy Sunday na sa Divine Mercy Sunday enam se ne da ye ntumi hyiemu e wa so dan mu nti no me pese me ne wo che akenkan se mo miensa asɔre no de aman be biara a wo na answer no me kai wo se won subscribe ye to yen channel here bomodi answer obe subscribe na wa share na wa like aman chechira ekoso bia no onso won saka bi sa channel yi the Village Preacher Platform sa platform yi na ye kasa de fa kala gidie hu ene ensem bebre a ha yen efa yen gidie hu ene Divine Mercy Sunday you know na ye bisa ye ho say why Divine Mercy Sunday. Divine Mercy Sunday ejina ho edema the mercy of God to sinful humanity. Na sa Divine Mercy Sunday you know Ohunsiunyi Maria Faustina ofri Poland ono ena Jesus eyi ne ho adi ede kire no efa ne humobra owo ewo ewiase eho nti ye ka say Ohunsiunyi Faustina, he is the secretary of the Divine Mercy ono ena Yakopon enam so ede ne humobro ho asem no ede ebre wiase nti ena dey aso ne say the second Sunday of Easter bian Divine Mercy Sunday. Enti ena Divine Mercy Sunday you know na wo akenkan semo a etoso mienu no ye fa free Peter woma edikan no etiba akonjiche mu miensa kopem enkron no try and say blessed be the God and Father of our Lord Jesus Christ, who in his grace mercy has given us new birth as sons. Enam Yankopon ne do ene humobro nti no wa mayen so yaba abeye ne mma nti Yankopon ne humobro no ene dey what is the mercy of God. See a chere the mercy of God ne a chere say Yankopon ne do na wa chere ede amayen no enka me no mi mpo no yense yemfata ena wa hwie ede egu yenso nyame ado yenya ma wasoma ne ba Jesus Christ ema waba abeje yen wabrempo a na me no mi na yeda so ewo bonemu ne say nti ne say what is mercy. Mercy is the love of God in action. Yankopon ne do a edadi ewo nimpa abrabo mu nti no ebinum say mercy is the second greatest attribute of God. Say ye love everywhere we talk about God's mercy, and I'm saying Yankopon edani do edia the act of the love of God no and express it in the mercy of God. Now Hebrew kasa no can mercy a kasefua or the mercy he said said something we do not deserve, and I said giving something more than what we can talk about. Adie bi a ye de ema yen a board ye e fata yen eso ono and your friend of the mercy of God. Inti say share ene gospel no ye fa edi free. See a share ene gospel now. You know say Jesus is showing mercy to his apostles. Emra owura wontem ewo upper room hono. Those days they didn't deserve the love of God, didn't deserve the mercy of God. Nenso Yankopon ede ne humobro ede mawo. Who are those at the upper room? Peter, those who had betrayed Jesus, those who have denied Jesus, those who are even doubting the resurrection. Then so Jesus went to them and showed his mercy to them. He went to them and he showed his peace to them. We do not deserve to be called sons of and children of God. Then so Yankopon ne humobro no na ode amaye. Inti ene Divine Mercy Sunday. Let us approach the throne of mercy. So can Hebrew 4 manu eti enanichemu ensiana. Or say let us approach the throne of grace that you may obtain mercy. Iti ene Divine Mercy dia. Now let us approach God who is so merciful, who is so loving. Ama ode ne humobro no ede akata yenso. See a Yankopon merciful there. And so what? What must we do? God is inviting us to share in his attribute of mercy. Blessed are the merciful, for they shall obtain mercy. Inti Osha and first reading now, the Acts of the Apostles, no, the apostles of Jesus showed mercy. ɔmo kyerɛ ehumɔborɔ ɛde ma wɔn. They shared among themselves. Ɛnna mmerɛ yi a yɛwɔ COVID-19 yi a wɔn a ebinom nyinaa ɛhyɛ dan mu yi, ehiafoɔ nyinaa ɛhyɛ dan mu yi. As Christians, we must show that mercy of God to others by sharing among ourselves. We must show that mercy by bringing the poor to our comfort zone, by showing mercy the neglected, the marginalized, the orphans, the widows. Say yes, Nyankopɔn ɛyɛ merciful there, then He's calling us to share in His mercy. Say ɛna Christopher edikanfoɔ no ɛyɛ ya. Bible said every day no one number no increase. Into the church is a church of mercy. Nyame asɔre no ɛyɛ asɔre a you should go into the world to show the mercy of God. Ɛnɛ ɛyɛ divine mercy. Let us approach the throne of grace and mercy, and He will bless us. Emra Jesus ɛyi ne ho adi ɛde kyerɛ ho ti ne Faustina no asɛm a ɛda adi pefee ne sɛ Jesus, I trust in you. Nti yɛn nso yɛbɛtumi aka sɛ we trust in Jesus, and I'm saying ɔno na ɔbɛyi yɛn efiri ɔhaw ɛne amanneɛ nyinaa mu. In this COVID-19 pandemic no, we will continue to say Jesus, we trust in you. Yɛti didi sɛ ɔbɛyi yɛn efiri yare mu na yɛn nso yɛn ho atɔ yɛn. Sɛ ɔn subscribe yɛ a mekanfo de ama wo sɛ subscribe na hyɛ amadeɛ bɛbɛ bia no nso wo nsa aka. Mema wo remfi sɛ this also shall pass. God bless you.
Pater noster, qui es in celis, sanctificetur